Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. It's been a while since I tried an open cup pour, so that's what we're going to do today, and also I'm going to be doing it on my spinner. So I'm going to start with some Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Black. The background for this we're going for is going to be black, and all colors are mixed with floetrol and water. I'll explain them as I go. I'm going to add just a little bit more. And then this is just a Lazy Susan under here, and the canvas is, there's some nails on the side of the canvas to hold it there, and also some tape holding it down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using some glow in the dark, which is, I believe, Folkart. I have some, this is an amethyst. It's a metallic color from Art Minds. This is a turquoise, which is also Art Minds, but a couple other colors I mixed. Here's just some Artist Loft Flow Acrylics white. My cup is already going away. This is Arteza Gold. And some Artist Loft Metallic Purple. I'm gonna just move this guy back here. Nope, he's gonna stay, okay. I've got some Hot Pink, which I cannot remember what brand that one is. I'm gonna go in here with more glow in the dark. Having fun with that recently. And I don't think I need too much more paint. All right, let's see. It's kind of going off this edge. I'm gonna just tilt it this way. Seems as if I might need to re-level my table. Okay, I want more. There is more hot pink in that cup, but just in case. Oh, it might be empty, okay. That's as good as it gets, I guess. Do a little more gold. And a little more turquoise. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and slowly lift the cup. Just kind of letting little bits out at a time. And there's no silicone in here at all, guys. Just to let you know. Okay. Now, I don't like that circle in the middle, but I'm going to see, you know what, I think I'm going to kind of just take a stick and move it around a little bit. Actually, not a stick. I'm going to use my... Okay, let's see what that does. At least it won't be a perfect circle. I'm just gonna gently spin this. Unfortunately, my colors are kind of not evenly spread out. I don't want to overspin this. I'm not totally happy with that one color though, or corner. So I'm just going to take a straw and just blow it out. Okay, cool. I like that. All right, let's let it sit for a little while. We'll see if anything else develops, and then we will do our close-up. All right, going in for the close-up here. I'm really happy with the colors that I used on this. Even though I started out with that black, we have a nice, really bright painting with that turquoise and the hot pink and everything. And there is a little bit of action in the middle here, but I don't even mind it being, you know, less busy than the rest. I still think it all goes together very well. And since I used that glow-in-the-dark paint here, let's take a look and see how it looks in the dark. So this is with a black light on, and you can see we got lots around here, and then on this corner, a little bit over here. And then in other areas, kind of just a little bit peeking through, plus that neon pink seems to glow quite well as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try turning off this light and see if we can see anything. There we go. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.